In this video, we'll explore the AWS free tier. If you are new to AWS or planning to start using it, understanding the free tier is crucial for avoiding unexpected charges. Let us learn how it works. AWS offers mainly three types of free tier options. First is free trial, second is 12 months free, and the third one is always free. Free trial. First, let us talk about free trial. These are short-term opportunities to try specific services. The trial period begins the moment you start using the service. Keep a close eye on the expiration date. Once the trial period ends, the service automatically converts to standard pay-as-you-go model, and if you don't stop the service, then it will start billing on your account. Next, we have 12 months free tier. This is a popular option, but there is a key requirement. It is only available to new AWS customer. If your account is older than 1 year, you won't be eligible. For the first 12 months after creating your account, you can use some selected AWS services for free up to certain usage limit. It is a great way to get hands-on experience. After the 12 months period, this service also switched to pay-as-you-go model, so be mindful of your usage to avoid unexpected charges. Finally, we have always free tier. This is exactly what it sounds like. Certain AWS services are free to use indefinitely. However, there is a catch. Even with always free services, there are usage limits. As long as you stay within those limits, you won't be charged. But if you exceed these specified limits, you will incur charges based on pay-as-you-go pricing. So it's crucial to understand the limits for each always free service you are using. So the free tier is an excellent way to learn and experience with cloud computing. Just remember to pay attention to this type of free tier and the duration and the usage limit to make it most of it and avoid unexpected cost in your AWS account. For more such content, make sure to subscribe for upcoming videos.